Welcome to KK Autos. Today, we're exploring a true automotive legend, the iconic Ford Model T in a sleek black finish. A car that changed the world, setting the foundation for modern automobiles. Exterior details. At first glance, the Ford Model T showcases its unmistakable vintage charm. The bold, upright grille, classic round headlights, and elegantly curved fenders give it a timeless appeal. The glossy black paint reflects its era's sophistication, while the spoked wooden wheels with metal accents highlight the craftsmanship that went into every detail. Moving along the sides, the high ground clearance and simple yet functional body design remind us of its practicality and durability. The rear features an exposed spare wheel and a compact yet elegant trunk, completing the car's nostalgic look. This is not just a vehicle, it's a piece of history on wheels. The cabin features a classic wooden steering wheel, adding a touch of craftsmanship to the driving experience. The minimalistic dashboard is equipped with basic yet functional gauges, staying true to the car's straightforward design. The black leather bench seats provide a comfortable ride, while the spacious cabin allows for a relaxed driving posture. The floor-mounted pedals and hand throttle controls may seem unconventional today, but they were revolutionary for their time. The wide opening doors make entry and exit effortless, and the large windows offer an open and airy feel. Every detail inside the Model T reflects simplicity, durability, and a design that paved the way for modern automobiles. The Ford Model T was powered by a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine, producing about 20 horsepower, which allowed it to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. While it may not have been the fastest car of its time, its focus was on durability and practicality. The Model T's simple yet effective design made it reliable, easy to repair, and low maintenance, which was crucial for everyday use. Its high ground clearance and sturdy suspension system allowed it to navigate rough, uneven roads, making it the perfect choice for rural areas and early road conditions. The vehicle's robust construction and dependable performance made it a symbol of affordability and accessibility for the everyday person. When the Ford Model T first hit the market in 1908, it came with an initial price tag of $850 at the 50.000 time. This price made it a more affordable option compared to other vehicles, which were priced much higher, making it a revolutionary option for the general public. Thanks to Henry Ford's groundbreaking assembly line production techniques, the cost of the Model T continued to drop. By the end of its production run in 1927, the price had plummeted to just $260, further cementing its reputation as the car for the masses. In total, over 15 million units were produced, making the Model T one of the most successful and influential vehicles in history, forever changing the landscape of the automotive industry. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, KK Autos, and share with friends.